Hello guys, this is my first video on this YouTube channel, and this will be about introducing into websites and what will be on this YouTube channel. So let's start. For creating the websites, I use the program VSC, which means Visual Studio Code, and there I create all my projects with mostly with front-end experiences like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the library I used React, which is very helpful, and so this is why I am using it. How you can see on the video, this is the window of the Visual Studio Code, the welcome image where you have full bar to help you even from the start when you are a beginner, to help you, and yeah. And now you can use there some extensions like from the HTML, and there are lots of these extensions like a prettier text for better coding. And I know that you guys know a lot of about websites, but this is some introducing. Now I'll write some code into the HTML index, which I created a folder, and when you press the exclamation mark and then press the tab, you can see what it will happen with the project. There is some structure where you can find the body where you write the code. Into the head, you link the script with a JavaScript or other folders and files like styles, which means CSS. And now we'll start with coding. So first of all, I'll write the h1, and this means it will create some header with main priority. It is the biggest text what you can create. I'll write there some text, and I used the extension with Go Live, where you can only press and then go to the web and see the result without using some servers and licenses to buy. So yeah, there you can see the text what I have created, what I wrote, and this is my page. So this is a basic about it, and this will be a lot of funnier and harder things, but it is for now. You can also create some CSS styles which can define your style of the text and the page about what we have created in the HTML. You should also link in the header what I said before. So you use the command link, and then from the source you use the name of the file with a CSS. Then you can see there are a lot of attributes what you can write there, and it is up to you how the style can be. And I chose to write the color of the text to blue, and when you save it, go to the web page, and you see there the result. Now we can create the paragraph with text. This is small text, definitely using for the subtitles and other non-priority text. You use it after the header because it is smaller, and when you go to the website you focus on the bigger text, and then for the smaller and smaller talk about it in the next video. Now we can create the style for this paragraph and use there the color of the text, and again go to the web page and see the result, how it will looks like. Okay, I chose the color of the red and use there the ID for the future, because of when I create some other paragraph without the ID, it will not affect the other text. Okay. And now you can see there edit text, but now I have repeated, and you see the result with a color red, and other paragraph is not affected with the ID. This is the result what I have created for you, and after few changes I'll show you something what I will create in a few minutes, how it looks like. Now back to the welcome page. You can see there some helpful results for your maybe the React Native, which is mostly for the creating the mobile projects, and other with Python and some basic lectures for you. And yeah, this is for now, and I'll show you the result of the page after that. So now this is after maybe 2 minutes what I created. I know this is not very clear what I am talking about now, but yeah, I styled the paragraph header and some colors online to show the changes, and I hope that you liked this video. So like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.